Hazrat Ubadah bin Samit radiyallahu anhu says, while we were in the company of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, do you take an oath of allegiance to me on this proviso, that you will not associate any partner with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, nor commit illegal sexual intercourse, nor commit theft? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then recited the verse associated with the woman's pledge. Sufyan very often only mentioned the verse. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, whosoever amongst you fulfills his covenant, his reward is with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. And whosoever prepares any of these offences and gets its punishment, that will be an expiation of that sin. And whosoever commits any of these aforementioned sins, which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu screens, then it is up to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whether He Jalla Jalaluhu may pardon him or punish him. Abdur Razzaq has reported same from Ma'mar in connection with this verse. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4894.